What is going on, man?
It's good seeing you, man. You won't believe how many people asked about you yesterday. I'm serious.
You
A lot of
serious?
people are like, man, I hear you. I hear you're friends with Dan from In This Corner. I go, yeah, me and Dan.
Dude, I'm going to definitely have to get a calendar.
Yeah.
I've got one. I'm good.
Yeah.
Appreciate it, man.
Yeah, these calendars are cool. They just came out. Just first time I've seen them today, but it's all my beach activations on it. It's kind of cool.
Very cool.
Portsmouth City Park. That's cool.
Hey guys, it's Van, KM4KBS with the Invis Corner. I'm at this year's Huntsville Hamfest with Salty Walt. How you doing, Walt?
Doing good, man. This is great because you know what? We knew each other like before we were hams. That's how long I've known you.
We've been working together in the shipbuilding industry for 15 years.
Yeah, I've been in it for 46 years. Right. I'm ready to retire, but
so it's good to meet you finally at one of the Hamfests. This is my first time to Huntsville, and I'm really excited. He's selling his books. He's got some new calendars now made, and he's doing great. He had a big meeting last night with the ARRL. How'd that go?
That was great. It was the annual, not annual. It was the national convention.
Right.
It was the banquet dinner, and it was just amazing. Underneath Saturn V rocket at the Space Center, it was just an amazing thing. We had a good time. It was a fundraiser banquet for their Teachers Institute, for inspiring teachers and more STEM programs like that for ham radio.
Very cool. Well, we're looking forward to hearing more about it on your videos. But just wanted to stop by and say congratulations, and it's good seeing you.
Good seeing you, man. We'll see more of you today.
All right,
sure.
Take care.
Bye-bye.